We must be armed so that no foreign nation will even entertain the dangerous thought of starting over these 3,000 miles of ocean towards us. Today, many of our citizens, consciously or unconsciously, are considering peace or war with the totalitarian government. And the most vital realism in all our relations with the world today requires that we keep out of these wars unless the Western Hemisphere is attacked. Republicans, you go into battle for the greatest cause ever entrusted to the government of mankind. You can build a humane measures of security, of increasing standards of living for all the people. You can remove their fears. You can inspire their devotion to American ideals. You can and you will hold a light to a confused world, the lamp of liberty. Republicans, are you prepared to go into this fight?